Hey guys, today I'm making a chocolate dumpet cake with 2-ingredient frosting. In a pan on medium-low heat, add in the sugar, chocolate, butter, and water. Mix it well and allow it to heat through gradually, stirring occasionally. When the butter is melted, mix it well and remove it from the heat, then set it aside to cool. Mix together the flour, baking powder, and baking soda, and set it aside, and mix together the milk, vinegar, and vanilla. Stir it well and set it aside till needed. When the water chocolate mixture has cooled, add in the milk, then add in the eggs, and lastly mix in the flour in 2 parts. Transfer the batter into a greased and floured bundt or tube pan. Then bake at 180 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. While the cake is in the oven, you can make the frosting. Melt the chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl in 30-second increments. Then mix in the sour cream a little at a time. Make sure the sour cream is at room temperature or the chocolate will seize. Mix in the last bit of sour cream using a whisk, just to make sure everything is mixed together well. Scrape down the sides of the bowl and set the frosting aside at room temperature. This will continue to firm up as it stands. Remove the cake from the oven and allow it to cool slightly. Then turn it out onto a wire rack and allow it to cool completely. Transfer it onto your serving platter. Give your frosting a mix and begin to frost your cake. So because there's no frosting in the middle of this cake, the layer on the outside has to be quite thick. Give it a very rough pattern and it's ready to serve. The end result is a really chocolatey, super moist cake, and the frosting is really chocolatey and creamy and not too sweet at all. Enjoy! Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!